welcome back, YouTube subscribers and viewers. Today, our artifact of the week is in the Collins family home, and we are in the office for Josiah Collins. We'll be talking about these lamps that we see here on the mantle. Now, these types of lamps, they're called the Argand lamp, and they were invented by a Genevan physicist, Aimé Argand, and the patent was 1784. And it's really quite an advancement for oil lamps, and it was very, very popular all the way up until the 1850s. So this oil lamp with a cylindrical base and two arms here was designed to allow the wick to burn brighter and longer. So that's one of the reasons why this was so popular, using less oil, whale oil in this case for this type of lamp, and of course less cost for more candles itself. It also had a mechanism, a lever that you could raise and lower the wick depending on the desired brightness that you wanted for your room. And the glass globe here is designed in such a way to increase the draft to make the wick burn longer. So this type of lamp remained very, very popular all the way up to when kerosene was brought in the 1850s. So that's a little bit about these types, the Argand lamp here, a little bit about our site as well. So thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you out here at our site here soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much.